Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. For those of you who are new, I'm Jennifer Razon and this is my little space here in the YouTube universe. It is LA Marathon weekend here in good old Los Angeles. I'm not running the full marathon, but running the 5K that's held the day before the race. It is Friday as of this recording right now, so we're gonna head over to Dodger Stadium so that I can pick up my bib, which has my official number, and as well as explore the Expo and see what other goodies we can get. So it's gonna be exciting. I'm looking forward to sharing this adventure with you, so let's get on going. Alright, made it to Dodger Stadium. As usual, like to pick up my bib the day before, if they allow it. So, let's go pick up our bib.
You're welcome.
Here you go. Thank you very much.
Yeah, have a good one.
You too.
I'm so happy to be excited to be here at the Expo. I'm glad you're having a great time. My goodness, I'm sorry, I still have pancake in my mouth.
All good. It was really cool to see Aloha Guy. We follow each other on Instagram, even though he has a huger following than I do, but go follow him. He's really cool. We've explored. Let's go home.
Without rhyme or reason, I'm not an optimist. I just never dress for the season. There's no reason. It's starting to pay off. All my attempts to make a bad move. Procrastination, deep down a need to take a wrong turn.
Alright, here we go, heading out towards the start line. There's really a lot of people here. There's a tiny little breeze I could see in the palm trees with the leaves swaying, but we have some clear skies today, which is great. No clouds in sight. Slightly chilly this morning, but overall I think it's gonna be a good day in terms of weather. And I think overall, the race is gonna be good.
Shine your light, I know you need me. Turn your life around completely. Give me one more paradox for grace. Be still and run the race.
It's about 7:05 right now. The race doesn't start until about 8 o'clock, so start line is that way. But we're gonna go check out what's over here.
Be still and run the race. Good time to beat it. I'll take anything that you got. Back in the tiny box, mixed up with something I'm not. The face of a grown-up, but mind and blind faith of a nature-old. One full of hours, I'd rather be here than without her.
All right, uphill. That means we're about halfway.
Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright.
All right, last bit.
Singing, hey now, honey.
Another one in the books. Yeah, Pocky. And we've made it out of the parking lot. Actually, we just finished the LA Big 5K. Now, I ran this particular race back in 2001 with my good friend Ian and his inspirational story of why he's come back to running. So if you want to check that out, I will put it in the description as well as in the corner up here. Or if you're interested in running any future LA Big 5 races or the full marathon, I will put the link in the description as well for that. I will say today we lucked out on the weather. It was nice and sunny out. I do know we have some more rain coming in here in Southern California, so I will take the sunshine as they come. And who knows, maybe next year I may just end up running the full marathon again. And of course we can't forget the bling. Here's the medal for this year's race. And we got a nice nifty shirt, which I will be wearing for the rest of the day. And if you're new to the channel and want to see more adventure stuff like this, as well as all my travel adventures, do like this video and subscribe if you haven't yet, as I will definitely have more to come, so you do not want to miss out on any of it. I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. Until then, I'll see you all next time. Take care.